The wireless Halo LED RL series downlight is a great installation solution for new construction, remodeling, and retrofit projects. We are now going to walk through a quick retrofit installation. But first, make sure you turn off the electricity at the electrical panel. 1. Remove your existing lamp trim and any mounting brackets or socket plates. 2. Attach your ground wire with the provided screw located in the parts bag. 3. Screw the Edison base adapter into the socket and attach the orange connectors. 4. To install your fixture using the mounting clips, simply insert into the housing guide and keep the module flush to the ceiling and twist to lock into place. 5. To install using the torsion springs, line up your torsion springs with the torsion spring receivers and guide the module flush to the ceiling. It's that simple. For wireless connectivity installation, please consult your hub manufacturer's instructions and the instructions in the app. For the latest in energy savings and technology, choose Halo. Innovation you can rely on.